Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make a glass in Cinema 4D, a 3D animation program using a tool called Lathe. Hold the left click button here. If you haven't found Lathe, click here. And then, there you go. Lathe is a tool used to rotate a 2D plane. In this case, the edge of the glass, which is looking like this, around the y-axis, which is this one, to build volume that will form an object, which is the glass. All we have to do now is to make the edge of the glass using spline tool, just like this spline pen, that's to be exact. Change the mode into right mode, for instance, and this will act as the center point of the glass. So make sure that the handle doesn't go as far as this. Don't make sure that the handle of the glass doesn't go too far from the center here, where the y-axis lies on. So create the edge by just a click here, and then hold the left click button to make curves just like this, for example. This will be the base of our glass, so make it a bit longer, just like so. And yeah, hold on a while. Close it and it will look like this. Adjust the points so that our glass will look smooth, just like so. And yeah, this is the edge of the glass that we just created. Now all we have to do is to use Lathe to make this get rotated around the y-axis to form a glass. Drag the spline at the center of Lathe like this, and then voila, a glass is now created just like this. Isn't it fancy? Let's add some glass material. Click on Material Manager just like this, and then click the plus button to add new material, and double click on the material to make to change some settings for the material. Tick in go to transparency, tick the box, and make sure that the refraction preset is set to glass, and then drag the material to the Lathe object, just like this. Now if we do a render preview by holding the Control and the R keys on the keyboard, there, our glass is done. Doesn't it look fancy? Okay, that's it for the tutorial on how you can make a glass in Cinema 4D. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao!